Searching for the best laser tape measure feels like staring at 5 identical tools with the same specs, same claims, and the same shiny photos. But here's the thing, one might be perfect for your weekend DIY project, while another fails completely in bright sunlight. The real difference isn't in the ad copy. It's in the details most brands don't talk about. Product number 1, LEXIVON 2-in-1 Hybrid. First up, the LEXIVON LX201, a hybrid tool that combines a 130 FT laser distance meter with a traditional 16 FT retractable tape. At $77, it sits in the mid to high price range, and what caught my eye was its dual functionality. The laser gives you plus or minus 1/16-inch accuracy up to 40 meters, and the tape has a true zero magnetic hook for stable readings. It also includes stud center markings and an anti-skid rubberized case which feels solid in hand. With over 4,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular among homeowners and light contractors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of carrying 2 tools, you get both in one. Need to measure a room? Use the laser. Hanging a shelf? Flip out the tape. The large backlit LCD shows fractions, inches, and metric units, so you're not guessing on trim cuts. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy under heavy use. Here's the thing though, for indoor DIY and occasional pro work, it holds up fine. It's not built for construction sites, but for weekend warriors, totally reliable. This is perfect for you if you do a mix of quick layouts and detailed woodworking. Skip this one if you need extreme durability or outdoor visibility in direct sun. At $77, it's a solid value for the dual functionality. Product number 2, HOTO Pocket Laser. Now, if LEXIVON's bulk bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the HOTO Laser Measure. At just $38.59, it's credit card sized and weighs only 1.44 ounces. It looks like a gadget from the future, and honestly, it's one of the coolest designs I've seen. If you want something ultra portable that fits in your pocket or on your keychain, this is worth a serious look. It measures up to 98 FT with plus or minus 2 mm accuracy, uses a USB-C rechargeable battery, and has an OLED display that's crisp indoors. Over 3,000 sold last month, and it even won a Red Dot Award for design. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a real estate agent measuring rooms on the fly, or a DIYer who hates carrying tools, this slips into your jeans without a bulge. The laser is class 2, so it's safe for home use, and it even doubles as a cat toy. Yes, really. Many owners use the red dot to entertain their pets. Now, some people complained about limited range and poor visibility in bright light. Here's the thing though, it's designed for indoor use, not outdoor construction. If you're measuring a living room or planning furniture layout, it's perfect. This is perfect for you if you value portability and clean design. Skip this one if you need long-range measurements or work outside often. At under $40, it's a steal for casual use. Product number 3, Rockseed 165 FT Blue. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-focused users. The Rockseed 50M Laser Measure at just $28.30. Don't let the price fool you, this thing packs serious features. Over 2,000 sold last month, and it's IP54 rated for dust and splash resistance. If you want professional-grade features without the pro price, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual bubble levels mean you're not just measuring distance, you're also checking if a wall or shelf is level. That's huge for hanging cabinets or installing tiles. It also stores 20 measurements, supports area and volume calculations, and has a mute button, perfect for quiet environments like libraries or classrooms. Now, some people complained about the plastic body feeling cheap and the screen being hard to read in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, for indoor use and light construction, it's surprisingly durable. The rubber grip helps, and the wrist strap adds security. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner or handyman on a budget. Skip this one if you need outdoor visibility or heavy-duty build quality. At $28, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 4, Rockseed 328 FT Red. Now, if Rockseed's 165 FT range wasn't enough, this upgraded version doubles it. The Rockseed 328 FT red laser model at $33.45. It's the same brand, same design, but with nearly double the range. If you want extended reach for large spaces like warehouses, garages, or outdoor projects, this is worth a serious look. It keeps all the features, dual bubble levels, backlit LCD, IP54 rating, and 20 memory slots, but now reaches up to 100 meters. Over 1,000 sold last month, and it's still under $35. Here's why this matters for you specifically measuring a long driveway, backyard, or commercial space. This laser won't lose signal like cheaper models. The red laser is more visible than green in certain lighting, and the plus or minus 1/16-inch accuracy holds up even at max range. It also supports Pythagorean measurements, so you can calculate hard-to-reach heights using triangles. Now, some people complained about battery drain at longer ranges and the lack of rechargeability. It uses AAA batteries. Here's the thing though, the auto shutdown after 150 seconds helps, and spare batteries are cheap. This is perfect for you if you work in large spaces or need reliable range. Skip this one if you hate replacing batteries or need ultra-compact size. At $33, it's a no-brainer for extended reach. Product number 5, DepthX 3-in-1 Pro. Finally, the DepthX 3-in-1 at $77.21, the most advanced on this list. It combines a 197 FT laser, a 16 FT manual tape with magnetic hook, and a digital level. If you want a single tool that replaces 3, this is worth a serious look. Over 1,000 sold last month, and it's rechargeable via USB-C, lasting over 5,000 measurements per charge. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Imagine hanging a picture frame, installing baseboards, and measuring room dimensions all with one device. The dual brake system on the tape prevents snapback, and the color backlit screen is easy to read in dim light. It even stores 40 data sets. Now, some people complained about the screen showing laser distance, not tape length, which can confuse new users. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the separation makes sense. The laser is for speed, the tape for precision. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or light contractor who wants maximum functionality. Skip this one if you prefer simplicity or don't need a digital level. At $77, it's pricey but packed with value. So which one should you buy? The LEXIVON is great for hybrid use, HOTO wins on portability, Rockseed offers unbeatable value, and DepthX is the feature-packed pro choice. If you're on a budget, go Rockseed. Need pocket size, HOTO, want it all, DepthX. There's no single best, only the best for your specific needs. Drop your use case in the comments, I'll help you pick.